Tunisia, birthplace of the Arab Spring. Now the cradle is rocking. Mass protests have again consumed the country, as opposition parties have called general strikes, and anti-government activists have set fire to the offices of the ruling Ennahda party. Secular opposition groups say that the Islamist Ennahda party has failed to address problems that preceded the 2010 revolution, including high unemployment and a lack of free expression. Prime Minister Ali Larayet was set to resign on Wednesday as part of a roadmap to a new constitution, but in a surprise move did not do so. Tunisia is almost evenly divided between Ennahda supporters and the opposition, and WSJ's Maria Habib reports that many in the country see a long struggle ahead to achieve the liberties and economic progress people protested for when the Arab Spring began 3 years ago. This is the Foreign Bureau, WSJ's Global News Update.